Welcome to ReviewXpo. Today we are going to learn how you can install ReviewXpo product reviews app in your Shopify store and go through the onboarding process. Using ReviewXpo, you can collect reviews on site and via review request emails. Showcase your product reviews, provide discounts to your customers, and so much more. So, let's dive in. First, go to the link in the description or search for ReviewXpo on Shopify store and click on Add App. Then, click on Install App to add ReviewXpo to your store. After installing, you will be directed to the plan page. Choose your preferred price plan and click on Proceed Payment. Then select the payment method and click on Approve. Remember that there is a free plan as well as a 14 days trial available in other plans. And as ReviewXpo is a partner-friendly app, while your store is in development mode, you can get free access to the Pro version. Now, once your payment is complete, a window for automatic widget integration will pop up. If you want the widgets to be automatically integrated on your product page, choose Yes Please. Now if you're on Shopify version 1, you will get ReviewXpo shortcodes, which you can use to auto-integrate ReviewXpo widgets. Click on the link provided in the description to learn more about ReviewXpo shortcodes. Now click on Let's Get Started. After that, you will be offered to customize your review section for your store front end. You can choose to customize it now, or simply choose to skip if you want to do that later. The same goes for review request email customization. You can either customize it now or skip it. Finally, click on View the dashboard to end your onboarding process. Now let's open the product page to check the end result. Here we go. We've got our rating widget, our review section, and the review form up and running. Let's hope you have a great journey with ReviewXpo. If you have any queries at all or need any help, feel free to say hi over the live chat or submit a support ticket from our website. We'll be more than happy to help you.